Hello class. So today I'll be making a recipe with a very interesting story, and this will be a challenge for you too. In this vacation, I am giving you a challenge to pick up any recipe and turn it into a story. This will help you improve your English. Yes, let's start with it. So, once upon a time, in my very hungry kitchen, there lived two very boring bread slices. But then enters the king of Maharashtra. Guess who? Our very own Thetsa. See? First, let's apply some butter to it. Very firmly, very gently. Okay? Now, garlic mayonnaise. Very gently, very quickly. Next, atta khari macha suru. Are you understanding? The highness of Maharashtra. Pizza. It is. Next goes our ketchup. The next turn is cheese. Your own cheese slice because life is better with cheese. Just please a cheese slice on it. Very important question. Why do we use cheese? Comment down the answer. Now, let's close the deal. Okay. Wait, the story isn't over yet. Shh, no talking in the class. Now, attention, it's your practical exam. Here, please break an egg, add a pinch of salt to it. Okay. Goes in chili flakes, oregano, and the very important part is to mix, and that is called whisking. Repeat after me. It's whisking. So let's give it a good bath. Let's gently dip it gently, like handling your answer sheet. Okay, now let's onto the pan add some butter. Can you hear that sound? That is sizzle. Repeat after me. Sizzle. This sound is called sizzle. Here we go. Hello students, observation here. Don't miss this. We need to flip it nicely. Flipping it again. And finally, it's the result day. A boring bread turned into Asal Marathi Thetsa sandwich. Full marks for this one. Okay, for homework, please go and check it out. In the comment, you will have to find 3 words, 3 ingredients, translate it into your own mother tongue. Okay, and you'll be writing your own recipe into a story. See you in the next recipe. Bye bye.